want to just talk about a couple of the quick features of the AUTO8 cold press juicer. Firstly, the jugs. Juice and pop jug, really convenient because they stack inside each other, less storage space and easy grip with your hand. So we like the use of those. We've got also here the smart cap, which allows you to close the cap and stop any dripping juice when you finish juicing. Also, while you're juicing, you can mix the juice in the bowl. Smart cap on the Kuvings juicer. Let's have a look at the hopper. So we've got a hopper here. We've got a nice 2 litre hopper on the AUTO8, so you can pack a whole recipe into the top, turn the juicer on and the juicer will make the recipe for you. Easy to open. Look, just turn it to the side. Just turn it to the side. We can take that off. Really easy to clean. You're just going to rinse under the tap. Inside we have the press and the strainer. The AUTO8 has the easy clean strainer. Easy to fit a cloth, rinse it under the tap. Very simple and easy to clean. And lastly, the large juicing bowl, which allows you to make a whole recipe in the hopper, in the bowl, into the juicer, ready to go. That's about it, I think.